Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're signed in. Now navigate straight to your inventory and open the Trades tab so you can act. Click Incoming or Sent offers depending on where the trade sits, and locate the exact offer by partner name or timestamp. Once found, pause and verify item details and expiration time before continuing. This prevents accidental cancellation of the wrong trade. Make sure you're using the account that created the offer, otherwise cancellation controls won't appear. Open the trade details view and choose Cancel Offer or Withdraw. Steam will prompt a confirmation. Accept it to send items back to your inventory. If the partner is offline, cancellation is immediate. If they've already accepted, you'll need to contact support or the partner to reverse it. Once you cancel, watch your inventory refresh to confirm items returned. If a mobile confirmation is required, approve it in the Steam Mobile Authenticator app. Without that, after canceling, confirm your inventory shows the returned items and the trade no longer appears in sent/incoming. This is the final sign of success. If Steam asks for mobile confirmation and you can't access the app, make sure to check your phone or prepare to wait the trade hold. Sometimes a 7-day cooldown applies. If the trade completed or items are missing, contact Steam support with transaction details and screenshots. Keep a calm tone when explaining and include trade timestamps to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.